Whole structure tent fumigation with sulfuryl fluoride is the definitive post-construction treatment when drywood termites have extensively infested a home. When infestation is widespread, the only reliable way to reach all galleries is to tent the entire structure and introduce sulfuryl fluoride gas, applied only by a certified applicator who follows label directions and regulatory requirements. Prepare by removing or protecting food, medicines, plants, and sensitive electronics, and by sealing any containers that cannot be moved, because the gas can penetrate porous materials and labels must be followed to protect contents. Everyone and all pets must vacate for the full labeled re-entry interval, which varies by product and local regulations. Our practical tip is to confirm the exact re-entry time with the applicator in writing and plan overnight accommodations accordingly. Tenting typically remains in place for 24 to 72 hours depending on structure, size, and aeration procedures, followed by evacuation of the gas using forced ventilation until test meters show safe air levels. Insist on seeing clearance test results before returning. A post-fumigation inspection is part of best practice to verify mortality, check for live activity, and identify reinfestation risk points such as accessible wood-to-ground contacts or unchecked exterior entry points. If whole structure fumigation is not feasible because of occupant needs, vulnerability of contents, or cost, consider localized options such as targeted removals, heat treatment of specific members, or combination borate and local injections applied by experienced professionals, while understanding these alternatives may not eliminate every inaccessible colony. 3 common issues are refusal to follow pre-fumigation instructions, which risks contaminated food or invalid clearance, and the remedy is to get a written checklist from the applicator and confirm items are completed before tenting. Second, misunderstanding re-entry intervals can expose occupants to toxic gas, so always require documented clearance testing and never re-enter until the applicator provides verbal and written confirmation of safe levels. Third, homeowners sometimes assume fumigation prevents future infestations, but it only eliminates existing colonies inside the structure. Reduce reinfestation risk by repairing exterior wood damage, removing wood to soil contact, replacing vulnerable siding or trim, and scheduling periodic inspections. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who offer termite fumigation and alternative treatments. And we host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences and practical tips. We help contractors find leads and homeowners compare options, ask questions, and learn from others who have handled similar drywood termite challenges.